Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In November 2025 lecture series, we are discussing about biomedical signal processing concepts and applications. We know that we have variety of applications in biomedical signals and signal processing. Today, our students are going to give a demo on a design thinking based approach for dialysis fluid quality monitoring system. Shall we start? Let's start.
Empathy. Empathy means understanding and caring about what others feel. In dialysis center, patient depends on clean and safe dialysis fluid for their treatment. If the fluid is not pure, it can harm them. So we need to think from the patient side. Imagine how they trust the machine with their life every day. By using a dialysis fluid quality monitoring system, we show empathy because we make sure the water and chemicals used are safe and correct. This system checks temperature, conductivity and purity of the fluid so the patient's blood stays clean and healthy. Empathy here means not just doing a job, but caring for patient's life, comfort, safety and peace of mind. When engineers and medical staff work together to maintain the system, they are showing real empathy through technology and care. Next, define will be explained by Aravind.
In this project, I am going to define the project statement. In this define stage, we clearly explain the problem we want to solve. In a dialysis treatment, the quality of the dialysis fluid is very important because it directly affects the patient's health. If the fluid is not pure and has the wrong chemical balance, it can cause a serious harm. So, the main problem is to ensure the dialysis fluid is always clean, pure and the correct composition. Our goal is to design a dialysis fluid quality checker that can continuously monitor the fluid's temperature, pH, conductivity and purify using a smart sensors. By defining this problem clarity, we understand our project is not just about a technology. It is about protecting a patient's lives and improving the treatment safety through acquired and real-time monitoring. And this will be forwarded by Jeffrey.
In this stage, I am going to explain an idea stage. In the idea stage, we think of new and creative ideas to solve the problem of maintaining safe dialysis fluid. The goal is to make sure the fluid used for the patient is always pure at the correct temperature and concentration. We brainstorm ideas like using smart sensors to check conductivity, pH and temperature automatically. We can also add real-time alarms that warn doctors and us if anything goes wrong. Another idea is to connect the system to the mobile app or computer so that data can be seen and stored easily. In this stage, we do not judge the ideas, we just collect as many as possible water and we will choose the best and most practical ones. The idea stage helps turn creative think into real helpful solution of patients safely. Rest will be explained by Harish Kumar.
Let's see a project demo. Harish Kumar will do what I will say. Okay, first connect the USB to the laptop. Then connect the USB to the ESP32. Now immerse the TDS sensor into the water. Now immerse the temperature sensor into the water. Let us wait for a few seconds. Okay. Now we can see the temperature level and TDS and whether this fluid is safe or not through this OLED. And if the fluid is safe, the LED light, green LED light will blink. If the fluid is unsafe, red LED will blink. Then if the fluid is in moderate level, yellow LED will blink. In the OLED monitor, we can see the temperature and TDS level and the status of the fluid. Since this fluid is safe for use, it will be monitored as safe and green LED will be blinked.
In conclusion, the dialysis fluid quality monitoring system is an important step towards patient safety and better health care. It makes sure that dialysis fluid used for treatment. In conclusion, the dialysis fluid quality monitoring system is an important step toward patient safety and better health care. It makes sure that dialysis fluid used for treatment is always clean, pure, and at a time right chemical balance. By using sensor and monitoring technology, the system can detect any change in temperature, pH and conductivity and alert the medical staff immediately. They help prevent harm to patients and ensure smooth, safe dialysis sections. The project shows how engineer and medical care can work together with empathy to improve people's lives. It not only project patients but also build trust between doctors, engineers and patients. So the system is not just a machine, it is a life supporting solution that combines technology, safety and care. Thank you.
I think we'll get a clear understanding about how our design thinking framework helps to identify perfect solutions for our problem statements. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.